small money. No profit.
So I'm doing my nails.
20 peso, 50 peso, collecting.
100 peso for manicure. So this is the salon. Is Jana waiting for me? Muna ginabuhat na ko. Muna akong trabaho. Vlog. Ano nakita ko sa Facebook? Sa Facebook. Wala naman ka ng Facebook, di ba? Nag-Facebook ako ka?
Ang akong pangalan, hindi Ophelia kasi ginahap.
Then I say, why you bring a baby to this world and you cannot take care of them? I don't like that. Yeah, then. All right, let's take a walk outside and let's see.
You can take a walk also this one.
No. If I have this, they all, gonna smile, then they're gonna say 50 peso.
I know, right?
They're gonna say, sir. They're not gonna say 50 peso. Sir. You know, when we're walking, if she's not looking, and if she's looking, then we go like this,
Nagsibag siya.
And jam outside.
Ganda nga, lumiit na siya.
Ha?
Pero ginbalik ko man dayon, di ba? Wala.
Wala din sa kuha.
Ikaw, pila na imong anak?
Ayaw niyo mga anak.
Duha?
Ayaw niyo mga anak kayo.
Ayan.
Oo.
Kay mahilig kami mag-travel eh.
May koloni siya. May tanang ka ng ano ba? Marag gina-joy na ginaano na niya yung kinabuhi ko duro.
Ingon siya, life is too short. So, ingon siya, enjoy life the while you can. Alright guys, so we are here at Robinson Mall. So this is the third floor.
You get your nails done.
So we are in the food court area. I just had my nails done and the market, and after that we are walking and coming here in Robinson Mall. So I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get my food, dinner. So Harry is not planning to eat here. He's gonna eat at home because he has the chicken, butter chicken that I cook for him.
We have rice,
So he's gonna eat at home. And I don't have food at home, so I'm gonna eat here at food court. There's a lot of option here actually. Like this one, it's kimbap.
Oh, you can make fat belly. Huh?
Yeah,
Fat belly.
fat belly.
Fat belly.
That's the name of this one. I'm planning to get this soup. Maybe I will get the soup. And there's a lot of option right there. There's one, kamay, kainan. There's also seafoods. And it's a lot of people getting their food.
You don't order?
Yeah, I'm going to order. I'm gonna get my drinks. I need 100. So this is what they have. They have grilled squid. They have chicken and asal, and this one pork belly. So I think I'm gonna get this one. One of this one. Aside sa laing na choices, may ibang ano pa? Pagsitaw po. Pwede pagsitaw. Wala kasi dito, kahit saan dito. Ay, wala siyang choices dito. Example, ayaw ko ng laing. Pwede ba sitaw? Pwede po? Okay. Wait lang. Sige, yun na lang. Parehas lang ba yan nito?
Magaling siyang order ng bagnet lang.
Sige, yun na lang sa isang drinks. Anong drinks nyo? Sige, isang coke na lang. Walang coke zero. Opo.
So may...
Isa po. So they have this one, bulalo. Special bulalo. Tawagin na lang. Thank you. Oh, I visit. Look at this, they are like they're in the line or what? Oh, no.
These are some Korean they came.
Yeah, look like the Korean kids.
We are in the wrong place. If we go to the Korea town over there, so much Chinese. Korean.
Yeah. So, they have kamay kainan. Kamay kainan. They also have seafoods. This one, seafoods. Fiesta. They have fish and they have shrimp, tuna. It's a lot of choices. You can choose. It's Arias Barbecue and next. This one is Davao Tuna Grill. Davao Tuna Grill. And this Binalot. Otsin. Japanese. So while waiting for my food, so I'm just walk around here. So that's the Starbucks there. So they give me this one. So this one is if the signal is on the buzzer, yeah, it means my order is ready.
It's gonna go like this.
It's gonna vibrate.
Oi, it is.
So my order
Ready,
is
girl?
ready. I need to get it.
You want to, yeah, get it right one time. Oh, diba?
I got the pork fry,
What is that?
pork belly, pork meat, fry and beans, vegetable, and rice. This has the soup and drinks. So let's eat and
extra rice.
oh, don't make me mention that. I only get one rice, okay?
Oh, I didn't say that.
So yeah, I guess I'm gonna eat, guys. Sahari's not gonna eat, so
I'm gonna watch.
you're gonna watch. I'm gonna feed you.
No, I don't.
Oh, let me. Oh, this one, guys. 185 for this food. Everything 185, and
65.
yeah, you're right because it's 250. And the rice is 30 pesos if you buy
30?
extra.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad. For
So
the small price.
185 and this one 65.
Yeah.
Now no diet because it's been 3 days. No, 4 days. Wala, you want soup?
What kind of soup is that?
I'm not sure yet. It's not sour.
What is it?
Meat, partly beef. We have the beef one, so it's probably beef.
Enjoy, baby.
Parang I'm gonna feed you.
No, you eat.
Why, my love? Love, come. You want with rice?
You eat now. You're gonna read my Zen now.
You know, when I'm eating, I cannot, I cannot see you not eating.
Don't worry, I'm okay. Just my face looks kawawa, but I'm okay.
No.
If you want me to put it?
Yeah. Oh, tama.
Oi.
Oh.
Hey, hey.